Hi, I'm Sean with Autel. In a recent video, we talked about our newest innovation, AccuFix, and the community that powers it. Today, we'll show you how to sign up and submit your first case. It's fast and easy to sign up for your free account on your MaxiSys tablet or at accufix.autel.com. On your tablet, you're going to enter the application by selecting the MaxiSys icon. Then, you're going to select your Maxi Data icon, select AccuFix, and then register. Complete your basic information, and then choose email or phone. These will be used just one time in order to send you an activation code. When you're all finished, select register. Now keep your eye on your phone or email for that code to complete the process. Now that you are registered, you can start using AccuFix. This is the featured page. From here, you can search by keyword, scan the VIN with your tablet's camera, or by make and model. Also, you can simply enter a DTC code and hit search. Please note, you always want to make sure to use the back arrow on the bottom of the screen. If you hit the M, it will return you to the MaxiSys suite. In the bottom center, you will find the new Post button. Select this and then choose either Repair Tips or Featured Cases. While both will take you to a form that will guide you through the steps, it's important to know which to choose. A repair tip is your chance to share time-saving tips, repair techniques, and diagnostic results like waveforms or quick repair steps. A featured case is more specific, as you will share a single repair on a specific vehicle, starting with a scan from your tablet. You can walk other techs through your diagnosis and repair steps. As you move through the form, you can add relevant images, videos, and the parts or part numbers that were replaced. The final icon on the bottom is one that is very familiar, Me. This allows users to review posts that they have made, check messages from other users, and revisit saved posts and repairs. Now that you know your way around AccuFix, we encourage you to visit often and see just how powerful this community can be. Be sure to visit us at accufix.autel.com and stay tuned for more updates.